My goodness.
Put a light.
Wow, look how bright that is now. That was so dark before. That is phenomenal. That's really cool.
Yeah, nice. Nice, just like it's, you know, and really needed. It really needed a relining new support because the fabric was very weak.
Yeah.
Very weak. So just like paint starts just peeling off, and just like it's a lot of problems with kind of bad crackle and crazing, just like in
Yeah, it was,
tears and.
that is so bright. That is just amazing. Even though it's in the sunlight. And looking at some of his stuff on the internet, I think this is by far one of his best works.
Yeah, no, I like too. I like really.
There's that mountain in the background, Churubaso, is famous. It's supposedly from the center of the earth, it's the highest place on earth, higher than Mount Everest. Wow. Going up on my wall.
Yes, sir.